Hello guys, welcome to my channel Secret Indian Trader, and this is Samesh here. So on today's video we are going to see a food company stock which is Devyani International Limited. This became recently popular because of the well-known brands behind the Devyani International Limited and the franchises it holds. It's one of the largest franchise of Yum brands and operates the highest outlets of KFC, Pizza Hut, Costa Coffee in India, and the company is the largest operators of quick service restaurants chain in India. It operates 655 stores across 155 cities in India as of March 31, 2021. So part of RJ Corporation, Devyani International Limited is a part of RJ Corporation, as I said, started by Ravikant, who is from Jaipur, in 1991. RJ Corporation is a powerhouse multinational with thriving businesses in beverages, such as Varun Beverage Limited, which is a bottling partner for Pepsi, and fast food restaurants such as KFC, Pizza Hut, Costa Coffee, and ice creams, livestock such as Creambell, Daima, and healthcare such as uh, Medanta Africa, and the education with a presence across 26 nations through its subsidiaries. Okay, about Yum Brands. Yum is a American fast food corporation brand, and it is one among the world's largest fast food companies in terms of system units. It owns several iconic brands such as KFC, Pizza Hut, Taco Bell, the Habit Burger Grill, and many more. The company operates in 135 nations and territories worldwide. So, if we see, there is a huge potential of growing Devyani brand across the world also, in cooperation with this Yum brand. So Devyani International started its first association with Yum brands in 1997 when it opened the Pizza Hut store in Jaipur. Since the company has expanded to 696 locations in 166 cities across India and is the largest franchise of Yum brands on a non-exclusive basis. So when we see the business segments, the company has three major business segments, namely core brands, which is 73% of its revenue, international businesses, which is 10%, and own brands, it has 17% of its revenue as of fiscal year 2020. Since this company is being cooperated with multinational, it would also try to improve its own brands along with those international brands. So some of the core brands of this company are KFC, Pizza Hut, and Costa Coffee. They currently operate 285 KFC stores, 317 Pizza Hut, and 44 Costa Coffee stores as of June 2021. Among the core brands, KFC contributed 61% of its revenue, followed by Pizza Hut, which contributed 27% of its revenue, and the remaining by the Costa Coffee brand. International business, the company operates KFC and Pizza Hut stores in Nigeria and Nepal. It has 34 KFC stores and 3 Pizza Hut stores in Nepal and Nigeria put together. So own brands, when we talk about the Devyani International company's own brands, the company also runs South Indian QSR chain Vango and food court restaurants and bars vertical at airports, hospitals, malls, and highways with brands like Wango, Food Street, Masala Twist, Umbrelli, Crush, Juice Bar, Lai Bar, etc. The company has 51 stores as of June 2021, and which is comparatively like a few stores have been closed when we compare to fiscal year 2019. The company intends to create a linear profitable business, due to which they have moved out of most concession agreements at airports. So this food business was being affected due to this coronavirus pandemic, which really shocked them and reduced the number of locations also. High growth in online distribution. Online distribution accounted for 70% of the sales of its core brand in fiscal year 2021, which is 19% increase from fiscal year 2020. The online delivery channels include Pizza Hut and KFC mobile apps, web ordering services, telephone ordering services, and other delivery providers like Zomato and Swiggy. Concentration of stores in North and South India. North and South India accounted for 74% of its total stores of core brands, and 50% of stores are located in the top 5 cities. Uh, so when we see the business restructuring and rapid expansion, the company is moving towards a linear business model with a shift toward delivery model and smaller store formats for KFC and Pizza Hut. In linear with business school model strategy, the company has shut down airport concession stores and 61 non-performing stores to improve efficiencies in the business. The company has adopted an aggressive store expansion strategy with the addition of 100 plus stores in fiscal year 2021, 40 stores in first quarter of fiscal year 2022, and believes that it will continue for the next 2 to 3 years. The company has also acquired 73 equity KFC stores in South India from its parent Yum Group during the fiscal year 2019 to 2021. Terms of franchise agreement. Each new store under the core brand requires an initial payment to the franchisor. As per the agreement, Devyani will pay 53,400 US dollars for opening a new KFC store and 26,700 US dollars for opening a Pizza Hut store for the company. And the company will pay 6.5% of its gross revenue as a royalty to Yum Brands, and the flat 6% of its gross revenue as royalty to Costa Coffee International. When we see IPO plans, the company will raise 1,838 crores through its initial public offering, of which the fresh issue constitutes 440 crores and the remaining funds are offered for sale. The company will utilize the fresh issue of the below purposes: repayment and or prepayment of the company's borrowings fully or partially, and for the other corporate purposes. The company is totally operating based on the borrowings from international businesses. So this is one of the major disadvantage. There are not much advantages about this company. However, there is an opportunity for this business to grow once the pandemic has been reduced. The company will have a profitable wave. So it means that at the moment the stock is trading at 125.25 times its book value. The company has lowest coverage ratio. Earnings include other than income of 130.55 crores. The company's cost of borrowing also seems high. And also I have one more information from the annual report which has been posted in this particular company's website of 3 different years. So we have since 2017. So the one of the interesting aspect that we are interested in is the consolidated financial results, which will be on the first few pages. Like it will be provided on the first few pages of the financial report itself. So if we can see the sales in 2017, consolidated information is 10,561 crores of sales which happened. And if we see the profit or loss, there is a huge loss in 2017. So if it is marked within the brackets, it means that there is a loss. And let's check for the next fiscal year. So 2017, it was being marked as loss, and 2018, if you can see, it is 302 crores, which is in profit. So let's go to the next fiscal year. So we have 2018 and 2019. So if you can see, there was a profit. However, on the next fiscal year, it was a loss. 2019, it was a loss, and the sales had grew from 11,356 crores to 13,600. So let's check the next year. The loss has increased, okay, and there was a huge number of borrowings happening on the previous years. However, if you can see, the sales has increased, okay, so which clearly says that there will be a proper consolidation because the value of stock is higher of its book value. So what we can expect is there is a huge chance that the stock price can able to reach a steady book value and have a proper support before taking off, I would say, or making some profits. So at the moment, the company wants to settle all the borrowings and create its own revenue, and then they will try to incorporate or reinvest the profits that they are getting in this particular franchises and the company, and then the company will be making a steady profit. So what I would recommend is this is a very good time to have this Devyani International in your watch list and try to accumulate more shares when it reaches the book value, because this stock can be one among the multi-bagger, because food, who do not like food, so uh, this stock will be also a demanding one for sure. So let's try to analyze. We have very limited data because we just have 4 days, I guess, 4 days of stock information. So let's go from monthly to the lowest time frame as possible, thinking in the perspective of an investor. So the IPO price book value was approximately 86 to 90 rupees. So let's consider it can be from 90 rupees. Okay. Uh, or else I'm taking an average of 88 rupees. So what we can expect here, if you can see, through Fibonacci retracement, we can find that there will be a support over here at this particular region. Okay, so this is a crucial level. However, if it breaks, the next crucial level will be I'm just marking this book value so that we will have a track about this also. Let's try. Actually, people are booking their profits in this month. I can see it clearly based on the financial background of this company. Okay, so we do not have weekly, so let's go by days. The initial Okay, so on the initial day, the stock had reached 140 rupees. So if you can notice from, let's consider 89 or 88. So the stock had reached like 50, more than 50, provided more than 50 percentage of its profit book value. So why not people book some profits? And as an investor, like I applied for Devyani International and I was not been allotted. So in this case, we need to wait for some consolidation happening. it doesn't mean like once the IPO has been published, you have to get those stocks and add to your portfolio. So no, you have to wait for the correct chance to get into this particular stock and add those to our portfolio. So these are one among the crucial levels. Let's get more macro picture of this particular stock. So as per the analysts, SEBI analysts, what they have proposed is the stock can reach up to 110 rupees somewhere over here. So as per my as per Fibonacci information that we have, the calculated information, the stock can have a proper support at this particular region if there is a huge sell-off or book profit happenings over here. We can also add this RSI indicator, which shows the volume at which place the stock is trading. And if you can see, as per the RSI information, the stock is already in the bottom level. Like, I mean, the stock is trading already at below 20 RSI. So as a short term investor, there will be a retracement for sure at this particular level, and then there will be a sell off for sure because of its negative trend in the financial aspect. However, when it reaches this particular region, the the stock price has a major support, and you will get good profits when you have been like when you are able to accumulate the stocks at this. So you can create your GTT and make an averaging if the stock goes below this particular region. um, However, as per prediction, this could be a strong support region for this stock. So guys, this is what I wanted to share on this today's video, Devyani International Limited. So if you have any questions, please comment it on the comment section. If you like my review, please hit on the subscribe button and leave a thumbs up, guys. I really appreciate that many people are subscribing to my channel. So this is really motivating me to make more videos and reviews on the stocks. So thank you very much, guys. I really appreciate it, and have a nice day, guys. Bye bye.